42% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings, and about 63% Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Especially at this time of high inflation and mass layoffs going on, it might seem like a pipe dream and almost impossible to achieve it. So, in this situation, how will you be able to save 10K in a year? I know it probably might sound impossible when you hear it now, but trust me, I have done this before and it is possible with following few simple steps. In order to save money, you need to be determined about why you want to save $10,000 in this specific time frame. Also, what you want to do with that money. Is it for your down payment of a new home, education, emergency fund, or your investment plans? Set up a goal and think what you want to do with that money. I have known from my past experience that a return goal is always effective and is always there to remind why you started this at first place. So, writing a goal is always an important part of it, and a better way to start it. Writing why is this money important to you? What difference will this make in your life? How will it impact you financially? Else will be positively impacted by you achieving this dream? By doing this, you are 42% more likely to achieve your goals by writing them down. Aim to save a set of amount each month, even if it's a small amount. You can automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Parking it in a high yield savings account and getting almost 3.4 to 4.5% as in the current scenario might be a good option for you. You can also invest in stock, but the stock market is always volatile. So do your own research before placing these initial investment savings into the stock market now. Or you can put money into the index funds. But if you want to buy a house and are saving for it, then it is a lot more safe to keep money in a high yield savings account rather than in a volatile stock market. The other step is reviewing your current expenses and automating the savings before it gets to you. This way you will be able to save few extra bucks before you spend it. Look at the areas for where you can cut back on expenses such as eating out or subscription services. While you are saving, you must avoid big and expensive trips. Instead of that, try to go to nearby parks for refreshment. Also, avoid any big purchases during this time as you are building a habit of saving. In this period of time, avoid any unnecessary debt. Try to avoid the debt and only borrow for essential purchases, and try to pay off your debt as soon as possible to avoid paying interest. That way you will be saving a little bit more from that interest. Look for the ways to increase your income, such as starting a part time job or looking for a new side hustle. We can mow the lawns, clean houses, sell things on Amazon, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. And after doing that, you can save this money you get from your side hustle. People say that there are two ways to make money. It's either to earn more or spend less. It is your habit that makes you save more, and it is your habit that makes difference. For example, if someone earns 60,000 a year and gets a pay raise of $20,000, he or she now gets $80,000. For some people, that's 20,000 more of spending and upgrading their lifestyle. But for some people, that 20,000 goes to their savings account, and that's going to make the difference from there. To make $10,000 a year, you need to save $833 in a month. And when you break that down, it becomes $27.40 in a day. Saving $10,000 is not as difficult as it seems. All you have to do is make simple and few choices, and this can help you achieve it. You can bring lunch and soda to office from home, $10 a day. Making coffee at home, $3 a day. Cancel one unused subscription, that's $12 a month and 40 cents a day. Stop buying clothes, $4 a day. cut ties with cable, $2 a day, earn extra from side hustles, $120 a month, $4 a day, eat out less, $120 a month, and $4 a day. So if you add all these things, you can get 27.40 cents here, right? So it's not a big deal and it's pretty doable. Remember, saving $10,000 or even more will likely take time and effort. Both with a clear plan and consistent effort, it is achievable. Focus on your goals and take small steps towards achieving your goal. If you like my content, then please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.